Oscar,
What's up, Dad?
gonna wave to the camera. What we doing? Oscar, what we doing? Oscar, what we doing? 4-year-olds.
Why, what's up, Brad?
Let's go all the other way. Bang. Flap.
Hey, Ozzy. Oscar, what we doing then? Oscar. Somebody's more interested in a door than a bloody fireworks.
Bang. It needs more banger sound.
I know. Are we watching fireworks?
No, it needs more bang sound. The fire.
Yeah, are we watching fireworks?
Yeah.
Yeah, but...
Mummy.
What?
Fireworks need more fire balloons. Small ones go up and down. 'Cause
Who
they're
needs going to a
gonna
public
fire
place when
so
you've got it all
much.
there?
So that means they're going to need more bang, 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 bang.
Yeah, I know, Oscar.
See, it's the bottom.
Oh, it's red. Come on, there's got to be more around here now.
Put a pea dog down. Put a bird down.
Can't be the end of them round here.
I'll ring you soon, Brad. Just a little bit busy.
Yeah, more fireworks, Oz.
Let's go to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8, 18.
You can. No. I'm coming in a minute, Oscar. Just wait. No.
Why? What's she saying, Brad? To be jealous?
Jesus Christ, those bangs are really delayed. Alright guys, as you know, this isn't a normal video, but it's bonfire night, so what more do you expect? For now, it's good night and I'll see you next time. Bye!